Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ford Mustang GT Premium Supercharged. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a steal with less than 4,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include performance package, navigation system, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.